Need personal and work WhatsApp on one phone? In this video, we'll show 4 easy ways to clone WhatsApp so you can manage both accounts without logging in and out. Part 1. How to clone WhatsApp via built-in feature. Go to Settings, Apps or Advanced or Special Features. Dual Apps or App Clone or App Twin or Dual Messenger. Enable WhatsApp to create a second icon. Open it. Verify a different number and use both accounts separately. Part 2. How to duplicate the WhatsApp app via WhatsApp linked devices. On the second phone, open WhatsApp link to existing account to show a QR code. On the main phone, go to WhatsApp settings, link devices, link a device, and scan it. Both phones will sync messages in real time. Part 3. How to duplicate WhatsApp with Clone App Multiple Account. Install Clone App Multiple Account from Google Play. Open it and allow permissions to create a virtual space. Tap Add App or Clone and select WhatsApp. Open the cloned WhatsApp, set it up, and verify a second number. Part 4. How to clone WhatsApp using WhatsApp Business. Install WhatsApp Business and register with the second number. Verify via SMS to create an independent WhatsApp. You'll now have both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business running separately on one phone. Part 5. How to clone WhatsApp chats from one mobile phone to another. Social app transfer helps when simply cloning a WhatsApp account is not enough. For users who need a full data migration between devices. How to use. First, download and install the social app transfer software on your computer. Once installed, launch the program. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the WhatsApp icon to select it as the app you wish to transfer. Connect both phones to the computer via USB. Enable USB debugging Android or trust the computer iPhone. The tool will detect and assign source and target devices. Click Flip if needed, then press Transfer to start.